All right, so I'm in Otavalo, Ecuador. This is the largest market in South America of its kind. I think it's the largest outdoor market in South America. I did geotag the car this time, so I don't have to worry about that too much. But I didn't charge the camera like I charged everything else. So I got like, I don't know, 16%. But the idea is to purchase alpaca wool poncho. If I find some, was it chantacuros? I'll definitely get some of those, and some chocolate, and maybe a hat if I find one. I can tell I'm definitely at altitude because I'm breathing hard already. But there's a lot to choose from, so I'm definitely gonna shop around and compare. I definitely want something thick like this. Sí, bueno, bueno. And not settled on the color yet. But I really like the wool and the textiles. It's pretty. I see the hats over there, so I'm excited. The other thing that I did not expect was there's a huge lake in the city, and it's right under a big mountain, and so I'm here a little later than what I want it to be, and I don't like driving at night if I don't have to. Maybe I'll spend the night, I don't know. But definitely excited about being here. I don't see any foods yet, but I did see a bunch of restaurants on my way here. I know they got food stalls somewhere around here. Lots of cool stuff. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock p.m. Bueno. I think I said already, but it's September 22, 2021. Really like those shoes for women. Driving through here, I saw all the women wearing those shoes, just like sandals. I like those. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to ask around about chantacuros. They might also be something only in the Amazon too. Saw a lot of pretty houses built and being built too in the city. It's really nice. A lot of them were overlooking the lake. Pretty cool. Well, it's being touted as the largest. I don't know about that. I think I've seen larger in Mexico. But Mexico is not part of South America, right? So there you go.